Hey, what's up YouTube and my fellow model junkies? This is JK from Burn the Night coming at you. We got another Master Box masterpiece. Right here in front of us today we have a 1/35th scale model kit, Enemy Movement Report, Indian War Series, kit number 3. Now, the French-Indian Wars is confusing and a little intriguing all at the same time because it wasn't actually the French and the Indians fighting each other. It was the French and the British. Because during the years of 1754 to 1763, the British and the French were fighting over territory in the northern part of the United States, up by North Virginia, all the way up into Quebec, Canada. So with no further ado, let's get to our characters. There we go. All right, as you can see, we have our British general riding on his beautiful horse. This here is General James Wolfe, British General James Wolfe. And I've always dug the British military uniforms. I think they're elegant and rugged all at the same time. Really cool. And then over here we have our chieftain from the Iroquois tribe. This is Chief Cooking Kettle. Both of these figures are historical people. So after, many failed attempts by the British to defeat the French up in the northern part of the United States, General James Wolfe made his way there with a bunch of troops and hooked up with this chieftain here, and they made a secret plan to attack Fort Quebec, which the Battle of Quebec was in 1759, and it was on the Plains of Abraham. And that is where the British finally defeated the French and were able to claim more territory in the Northern Virginia, Quebec, Canada area. Now, I really dig doing historical stuff like this. And these figures were really cool to put together. Master Box always knocks it out of the park. The detail is great. There's the chieftain cooking kettle saying, hey, we have to go this way to get to Fort Quebec. So after the Battle of Fort Quebec, right around the time of 1763, the Treaty of Paris was signed by both the British, the French, and the Native American Indians in the region of North Virginia, that there would be no more fighting and land would be distributed equal among the colonies and everybody would live with peace. So, therefore ending the 7-Year War. As it's known mostly in history, it's the 7-Year War. But anyway, hey, thanks for watching. I dig doing this stuff, and as usual, I always get all my stuff from plasticmodelstore.com. They're a Ukraine company, cool guys, fast shipping, great prices, best selection on the web. Go check them out, plasticmodels.com. I also use Valero paints with Magic Touch brushes. And that's about it. So thanks for watching. This is JK from Burn the Night saying be creative and rock on. We'll see you soon.